Hello artsy peeps, this is Ian DJ, Raven Fox 13. For this video, we'll be doing a fun unboxing of several boxes and items from Be Happy. So it's a crafts and art store. It's actually near to our home. We usually go there to buy journaling, planners, and different kinds of art products. You can also check all of their socials and website below to check all of the items that they have in store. So again, thank you so much for sending all of these. So let's try to open the first box over here. Thanks for saying yes. Welcome to the Be Happy Crafts Brand Ambassador Program. So they actually invited me to be one of their brand ambassador, especially for their painting and watercolor products. So it's always exciting to check and counter check all of these things. So they have here a Mia foldable bucket. Of course, we'll open them as we go so that you can see. This is a painting bucket. So when you paint, yan, put water here, tas you have yung brush ridge here, so you can clean the brushes while you paint. First one. And then you have here a, what else is here? So I have here, a Mia tape. I already have this one, the black one. This is what I really wanted to get. Nice. Painting tape from Mia. And of course, a fun Motex label maker with extra tape, gold, white, and silver. Perfect for the holidays. And then I have here a fun gel plate. Gel press. So used for making impressions for mixed media, card making. Yeah. All of the items that you see here, you can also get from the Be Happy Craft website. Wow, though this is Artline Supreme Fine Pen, 0.4 writing width, 30 individual colors. Probably use most of these in a while. So let's just put this on the side for now, because we need to make room for the other boxes which are bigger. Okay. So we have these. Thank you so much to Be Happy for sending these. Of course, you'll be seeing these in action on my next videos. I'll just put that there. Okay. Next box is it's actually a paper bag. It's Himi Mia acrylic paints. So these are 300 ml acrylic paints. It's actually a heavy, box. So I have here how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it rolls 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, and 12. So these are very good for. I already used the Mia acrylic paints, but I used the smaller ones in tube, thinking that most of these would be very similar to work with. I think this would be amazing to use also. Perfect for your painting and craft needs. So everything is sealed so that it doesn't dry out. I'll just put all of these aside also. So these are some of the colors that I chose. personally, but I think I'll be using. Okay, so let's put most of that there on this side so that you can still open the other one. There you go. And then the last box for me, this one. Let's check the inside of this. One over here. There you go. So let me open this one. There! Wow! So in time for Christmas, so you have these acrylic so you can do sketches using pens and paints for this to hang on your Christmas tree or wreaths. This is actually fun. And this is my second set of the little bird, Himimiya little bird brushes. Perfect for their acrylics. I actually like these brushes. I already have a review of these and the paints. You can see it on my Himimiya playlist. I'll put it on the link below. I'll put it here first. And then I have this one. So let's check this one. This is a Be Happy 90 colors solid watercolor set. Wow. Again, you can check their website, behappyph.com. Let's open this up. Cool. So this one is 90 colors of watercolors. You have here fluorescents, iridescent, pearlescent, metallic, regular watercolors. These are Be Happy. Ayun pala. 50 basic colors, 36 glittery watercolors, 4 neon colors, and 1 brush pen. Water brush pen. So let's put that here. We will provide a review for most of these stuff in the next video, so stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. This one is Be Happy cold press acid free white color rough and smooth watercolor pad. I'd probably check this out already. So let's try to open this one to check the texture of the paper. Of course, if you have been watching some of my videos, you'll probably see na I have a preference on my paper depending on the medium I'm working with. It said that this is ideal for wet painting techniques such as watercolor, oil paint, tempera, and acrylic. And scan the code to visit our website, behappyph.com. Oh, so this is like this. Smooth and then a little rough on the upper part. So 20 sheets, 300 GSM. Something to look forward to. And then I'll just remove the box. Okay. And then I have here 36 colors watercolor paint set. Joyful color, multiple support tools, best gift for kids and artists. This is probably a good one for anyone who wants to start their painting journey. So it includes 36 vibrant and non-toxic watercolor, lightweight and portable metal case, 1 nylon brush, 3 water brush pens, 8 300 GSM sheets professional watercolor paper, and a stunning presentation case. Okay, so let's try to open this one. Unboxing and opening things like these are actually a fun way to excite yourself in painting or doing something new. Yan. Oh, nice packaging. So you have here a color chart. I actually like boxes similar to this. You have 8 pieces watercolor paper. So you just need to bring this whenever you're painting. Cool. I think based on the texture, this is very similar to the watercolor paper that we opened a short while in a... Yan. Okay. And then we have 3 water brush pens. I don't often use water brush pens. You already know that if you're following my channel. Because I have a strong grip. I usually... Oh, these are different, different shapes. Oh, a flat brush. Nice, Never had a flat, watercolor flat. And then you have a smaller flat. And then round brush. These round brushes, feels different. So, different, but feels good to the hand. So, I'll put it here. So, this is, a all-in-one. Oh. So, this is the color and the color chart. There you go. Probably this one. Gray. So these are watercolor cakes. There you go. So they have this so that you can pull everything out easy. Oh, this is a good gift for beginners. We'll probably test this out using just this set so that you'll have an idea on the performance of this if you want to gift this to anyone this coming Christmas. So again, we have here a 90 color set, and then a 36 colors watercolor paint set, and then I have my cold press acid free white color rough and smooth watercolor pad, 20 sheets, 300 GSM, new brushes from Himimiya little bird set. I have jelly plate, perfect for acrylic and other paints. And then I also have an art line Supreme fine liner pen. It's actually like a fun early Christmas gift. And it doesn't end there. So I have here another package. So this one is for you guys. So if you are following my social media pages, this YouTube channel, this would be for an upcoming giveaway with Be Happy Craft. So the contents would be these things. So you have here these are wax. These are silver wax. Perfect for sealing, adding accents for your letters or your journals or your projects. And of course, what's a sealing wax without this one? Beautiful fleur-de-lis design. So you can stamp your sealing wax. Again, this particular box is for the subscribers. So this is for a giveaway. So we also have an ultimate sticker collection. So this is from Craft Central. Oh, this is a collection of different stickers from different local artists. Wow, that's amazing. And then you have here a Heidi Swap. Oh, beautiful memory planner. Perfect if you're if you have those planners that are undated, so you can create things with this one. And last but not the least, you'll also have a watercolor postcard. So these are 300 GSM, 10.5 by 15 centimeters. There you go. Perfect for the on-the-go painting or crafting. So these are items for our next giveaway. I'd probably add a few more things to this just to make it more exciting. So stay tuned for that giveaway. I'll post it on Instagram and my Facebook page also, and also on my YouTube channel. So again, thank you so much to Be Happy. Thank you for inviting me to become a brand ambassador. Thank you for sending all of these amazing art materials and crafting tools. You'll probably see most of these in action on my next post videos. And if you have any questions about all of the things that you have seen here, I'd be more than glad to answer those things. Don't forget to subscribe to Be Happy Craft and DIY Supplies. I'll be putting all of their links down below. You can check their website on BeHappyPH.com. This is Ian DJ, RavenFox13. Thank you so much, Be Happy, for sending all of these amazing products. I am so excited to try all of these already, and so much happy that I was invited to be one of your brand ambassador. And thank you so much for watching this video. All of the links I'll put on the description down below. See you again soon. This is Ian DJ, RavenFox13. Ciao!